Question 1. What is the primary mechanism for knowledge base integration with Claude AI to overcome its static training data limitations and significantly reduce hallucinations? Option A. Fine-tuning the Claude model. Option B. Advanced prompt engineering techniques. Option C. Retrieval augmented generation, RAG. Option D. Reinforcement learning from human feedback, RLHF. The correct answer is Retrieval Augmented Generation, RAG. Here's the explanation. Retrieval Augmented Generation, RAG, is the overarching framework that combines information retrieval from external knowledge bases with text generation by Claude, directly addressing the knowledge cutoff and reducing hallucinations by grounding responses in verifiable data. Question 2. Which component in a knowledge base integration system for Claude AI is specifically designed to store and efficiently query high-dimensional numerical representations of text chunks? Option A. Embedding models. Option B. Knowledge base, source data. Option C. Orchestration layer / agentic framework. Option D. Vector databases, vector stores. The correct answer is vector databases, vector stores. Here's the explanation. Vector databases are specialized databases optimized for storing and efficiently querying high-dimensional vector embeddings, which are central to the RAG process for similarity searches. Question 3. During the ingestion phase of knowledge base integration, what critical step involves breaking down large documents within the knowledge base into smaller, manageable, and semantically coherent units before embedding? Option A. Data acquisition. Option B. Pre-processing. Option C. Chunking strategy. Option D. Context assembly. The correct answer is chunking strategy. Here's the explanation. Chunking strategy is the method used to break down large documents into smaller, semantically meaningful text chunks, which is crucial for effective retrieval and embedding. Question 4. What is the primary benefit of implementing stateful conversations for an AI agent powered by Claude? Option A. It allows the agent to process requests faster by reducing API latency. Option B. It enables the AI to remember previous interactions and maintain context throughout a dialogue session. Option C. It significantly reduces the cost of API calls by optimizing token usage. Option D. It simplifies the deployment process of the AI agent to cloud platforms. The correct answer is it enables the AI to remember previous interactions and maintain context throughout a dialogue session. Here's the explanation. Stateful conversations allow the AI to build upon past exchanges, understand nuances, track multi-turn requests, and provide coherent, consistent, and personalized responses. Question 5. For a Claude AI agent, how is short-term memory primarily managed within the context of stateful conversations? Option A. By storing all past interactions in a dedicated vector database. Option B. By including recent conversation history directly within Claude's context window for each turn. Option C. By summarizing the entire conversation and storing it in a cloud object storage service. Option D. By fine-tuning the Claude model with every new user interaction. The correct answer is, quote, by including recent conversation history directly within Claude's context window for each turn. Here's the explanation. Short-term memory is typically handled by passing recent conversation history, user prompts, and AI responses directly into Claude's context window, allowing the model to leverage immediate context. Question 6. An AI agent needs to remember a user's preferences and specific details discussed days or weeks ago, exceeding Claude's immediate context window. Which cloud service type would be most appropriate for implementing this? Long-term memory, persistence. Option A. Content Delivery Network, CDN, for caching static assets. Option B. Object Storage Service, e.g. S3, for raw message logs. Option C. Managed database service, e.g. DynamoDB, PostgreSQL, or a vector store. Option D. Serverless compute function, e.g. Lambda, without external storage. The correct answer is Managed database service, e.g. DynamoDB, PostgreSQL, or a vector store. Here's the explanation. Long-term memory requires durable storage solutions like managed databases, SQL or NoSQL, or vector stores to persist context beyond the immediate session or context window. Question 7. How does workflow automation using Claude-powered agents fundamentally differ from traditional robotic process automation, RPA? Option A. RPA focuses on API interactions, while agents only mimic human UI interactions. Option B. Agents possess intelligence and adaptability for complex, nonlinear workflows and unstructured data, unlike RPA's rule-based, rigid approach. Option C. RPA requires an LLM as its core, whereas agents operate without any AI component. Option D. Agents are limited to desktop applications, while RPA automates cloud services. The correct answer is agents possess intelligence and adaptability for complex, nonlinear workflows and unstructured data, unlike RPA's rule-based, rigid approach. Here's the explanation. The key distinction is the intelligence and adaptability of agents, which allows them to reason, make dynamic decisions, handle unstructured data, and self-correct, moving beyond the rigid, rule-based nature of traditional RPA. Question 8. In the context of workflow automation using agents, what is the primary function of the Claude LLM component? Option A. To store long-term memories and past interactions of the agent. Option B. To act as the central processing unit, providing reasoning, planning, decision-making, and natural language understanding for the agent. Option C. To execute external tools and APIs without any prior instruction. Option D. To manage the persistence of the workflow's state and intermediate results. The correct answer is to act as the central processing unit, providing reasoning, planning, decision-making, and natural language understanding for the agent. Here's the explanation. The Claude LLM serves as the brain of the agent, providing the core intelligence needed for understanding goals, generating plans, making decisions, and interpreting observations throughout the workflow. Question 9. Which of the following best describes the reflection and adaptation step in an agentic workflow automation process? Option A. The agent simply executes a predefined sequence of steps without deviation. Option B. Claude generates an initial plan and then terminates the workflow. Option C. The agent observes the outcome of its actions, compares it against the plan/goal, and dynamically reevaluates or modifies its strategy if needed. Option D. The agent is continuously trained on new data to improve its underlying model weights. The correct answer is the agent observes the outcome of its actions, compares it against the plan/goal, and dynamically reevaluates or modifies its strategy if needed. Here's the explanation. Reflection and adaptation are crucial for agentic systems. After executing an action and observing its outcome, the agent uses its reasoning to assess success, learn from feedback, and adjust its plan or subsequent actions, making the workflow dynamic and resilient. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel.